Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Netflix gift card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in netflix.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Netflix website. Now once you're logged in to your account, simply click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account. Now from the account page, you will find various different options regarding your membership. Within these options, you will also find an option to redeem your gift card or promo code. Simply go ahead and click on it, and now you will be taken into another page where you can enter your code to redeem your gift card. Simply go ahead and type in your code or your PIN and click on the redeem button, and then your Netflix gift card will successfully be redeemed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your Netflix gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.